Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. The amazing Ulysse Nardin Locle wristwatch is an exceptional combination of elegance, craftsmanship, and reliability. The stainless steel case adorned with an anchor-shaped, intertwined rope engraving created in the atelier gives the watch a special charm. The dial, cast in pure silver, depicts a sailing ship conquering the expanse of the sea, with a compass that confidently indicates the seconds. The elegance of the watch is emphasized by the 12 emeralds placed around the dial for each hour, which are certified. The strap, made of elephant skin in the workshop, gives the watch a sophisticated and luxurious look. The stainless steel clasp ensures a secure fit on the wrist. Special attention to detail is paid, with hands custom made in the shape of a ship's helm for the hour and minute hands in the shape of an anchor, and the second hand placed in a compass on the dial. The movement, developed by Ulysse Nardin Locle, ensures the accuracy and reliability of the movement without requiring any additional investment. The watch has become a true work of art with a unique design that delights with its beauty and sophistication. Good shopping and have a great day.